How to open or create your Netflix account on your phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you the ways on how you can create or open up a new Netflix account. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what I will do is I will continue this process from my browser. So you can also simply open your browser whether you're on your phone or Windows, and you want to simply go to this website called netflix.com. So I will simply go ahead and then type in netflix.com. I will also make sure to leave this link down in the description box. Go ahead and then simply check that out. Once you go to netflix.com, you can see sort of that this is how the interface is going to look like. But if you do already have an account, then you can tap on the sign in button at the very top right in order to create your account. But if you don't have an account, then you can simply enter a new email address over here which you want to use for your Netflix account. So in this case, I will simply go ahead and enter any of the email addresses which I have. Once you enter your email address, tap on the Get Started button which you see. So as you tap on Get Started, you will be able to see this kind of interface which says Finish setting up your account, and you can also see it says Netflix is personalized for you and so on. So next thing we are going to do is to simply create a password. So I will tap on the next button and you can see it says me to add a password. What I will do is simply go ahead and choose any of the passwords. Make sure you choose a very strong password just in case you do not forget it. So once you've also entered your password and so on, you can also choose to get offers about the newsletters, but I will simply uncheck and skip that one, and I will tap on the next button which you see. As you tap on this next button, now we are almost complete. Now the next thing we have to do is to simply choose our plan for Netflix. Now on Netflix, basically we have three types of plan. One is the standard basic plan, and the mobile plan, and the premium plan. As you can see, the mobile plan is only offers you up to 480 pixels, and basic plan offers you 480 pixels but with good video quality. And then you also have the standard plan which offers you up to 1080p resolution, and then you have the Ultra HD Premium plan which supports up to 4K and 4 devices at once. Now depending upon your own choice, you could go ahead and simply choose whether or not what kind of plans you want to take. As you can see, you can go to each of them manually, and I will simply tap on the next button that you see. As soon as you do that, it will basically ask you to choose your payment method. All you have to do is simply choose your payment method, such as adding debit or credit card, PayPal, and so on. Fill in the information, and after that you'll have successfully subscribed to Netflix. And this is how you can open up or create a Netflix account on your phone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.